Hello friends. In this section, we are at your service, students. We want to get the perimeter and area of an image. I would be happy to become a member of the channel, and if you like the video, like it, and if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments and share your thoughts with our group. Well, let's go to the tutorial. First, we open the desired image. In the first step, we have to convert the image that we entered into the ImageJ software into 8-bit. For this purpose, we select the type option and the 8-bit mode from the Image tab. Next, we have to perform the calibration, which is fully explained in the previous videos. For this purpose, we select the line option, hold the Shift key so that the line is drawn straight, draw a line exactly on the scale of the image. Then select the Set Scale option from the Analyze tab. In the window that opens, enter the number 20 micrometers in the Known Distance section. And enter its unit in the Unit of Length field and select OK option. Now we have to remove the scale part from the image because this image scale causes errors in our calculations. Therefore, we select the square option from the menu and select the part we need and select the crop option from the Edit tab so that only the part we need is selected for calculation. Now our image is ready. Next we have to select the threshold option from the Image tab in the Adjust menu. Now the part on which the calculation should be done should be red, so in the opened window, you have to move the levers until the desired part is colored. It turns red. Then, when the desired part turns red, click Apply and finally click the window. Next, before the final calculation, you must select the options that are to be calculated by the software. For this purpose, select the Set Measurement option from the Analyze tab. In the window that opens, we want to calculate the desired area and perimeter, so the area options and activate the perimeter. Finally click the OK option. Finally, for the final calculations, from the Analyze tab, we select the Analyze Particle option. In the window that opens, in the Size section, the particles that are in the image from 0 to infinity are calculated, and if there are tiny particles in your image, you can check its accuracy. Change to 0.1 or higher to exclude small particles that you do not want to be included in the calculation. In the Show section, we always set the Outlines mode and the first three options must be active. Please note that the perimeter and area of the desired part have been calculated in the Summary window. Thank you for watching us. Soon we will upload the continuation of the training of this software.